Time management is no joke. You need planning, you need proper steps of action, and more than that, you need the willpower to stick to the routine which you create throughout the day and each coming day. This becomes a huge problem because when you have to manage time, you have to look at all the tasks which are in your hand. Besides, you're always careful about not distorting your daily habits. Naturally, none of us are very keen to manage time until we are pushed to do so or when we are in need of completing multiple assignments. It works this way for all of us because we think that wasting much of the time and using little at the time of need can be an ideal choice. Yet facts speak differently. Time management needs willpower, and that's repeated time again and again by every motivational speaker or professional coach. You cannot expect to do it for a day or two and then go back to your earlier routine of forgetfulness and carelessness. It not only hinders your growth but also leaves a big question mark on your growth. When you are unable to manage your time in the right way, you are no longer able to control things that flow out of your grip quicker than you can expect. You stay at point zero. So is there any magical tonic for making you follow the path of time? Well, I don't know much about such tonics, but I am sure there are several books which can help you to learn time management in no time because these books are the work of professionals. These coaches who have worked over the years on the same attribute, they give you all the answers and provide you with the tips and tricks which you can use to show the permanent habit of time management in you. These books are written in simpler way for your understanding and help you in building up your daily routines in the light of your tasks. The most prominent thing about such books is that you can always go back for advice if you feel that managing time is getting harder than expected or you are stuck somewhere in the middle of the clock. So watch this video carefully and take out your notepad with you because in this video I am going to discuss some of the life-changing books which present the art of time management in a very impressive manner. Well, you know the rules that you have to watch this video till the end because I don't think that you can afford the chance of missing out on this piece of information. Getting Things Done. This book comes at the top of the list because of its literal name. I'm not kidding. You can expect all kinds of surprises from a book that even calls you to complete your tasks right from its title. This book is written by David Allen and has remained a sensation of the early 2000s. And even today, people rely on this one for managing their tasks effectively. Another interesting thing about this book is the writer's reputation. David Allen is known as a productivity guru because he has influenced the masses because of his essential and easy tips on productivity. The book discusses the nature of productivity and tells us how we can enhance our productivity. Plus, the best part about the book is the element of encouragement, which is there from the beginning to the end. Getting Things Done does not call you to complete huge tasks or tell you to follow heavy routines, but simply focuses on the importance of consistency, which helps you a lot in sticking to your routine. The book tells you that your productivity is not dependent on the way you create a routine or fewer tasks, but it depends on the way you manage to stick to your routine throughout. Once you aim that you have to follow the routine, you're halfway there to manage things. 4-hour work week. This book comes in second place in our choice of ideal time management books. This book by Tim Ferriss originally came out in 2007 and is a Bible for those who want to make the most out of their professional life. This book mainly discusses the ways through which you can work on your routine building skills. Besides, it also highlights the ways through which an impressive routine can be built. There are several chapters of the book which discusses in detail the significance of an important routine. Plus, it draws a comparison between those individuals whose productivity defines them and also points out the major factors which promote their growth. This is not the only best part of the book, but it also highlights the problems which are mostly faced by those who can't perform well and why their productivity isn't very impressive. The Checklist Manifesto. Not a big fan of checklists? Do you face problems in working according to checklists? Are your checklists always empty because you can't think of the right tasks for effective management? Check this book by Atul Gawande. This 2009 book highlights the importance of a fine checklist that can help you manage all your tasks effectively. This book tells you the basics of a good checklist and the ways you can work on creating them. Besides, it tells you to distinguish between the most important tasks as well as those which you think are important. What I like most about this book is the way it tells you about the importance of the most important tasks. It allows you to make a list of those tasks which are very essential and then start managing them. Plus, you get to find several rules for creating checklists that are highly effective for the sake of your growth. Make time, how to focus on what matters every day. John Zaretsky created this piece with the help of John Knapp in 2018. This book occupies fourth place in the list because it tells you about the role of daily life activities and the ways through which you can understand the importance of daily tasks. Most of us consider our daily duties minimal and are never in a mood to work on them. In a way, we prefer to work on the most essential tasks. This book gives a fine reality check and tells that it is important to create a sense of balance between your professional and daily life tasks for mastering time management. Plus, as the name suggests, in this book you can find out ways to focus on your everyday matters which can help you in getting a strong grip on time management. Besides, the way your concentration decides the future of your tasks also helps you to understand the importance of your daily affairs. The Power of Habit. I am giving this book the 5th place in the list because it tells about the importance of productivity and tells us how we can become keen on our habits and make productivity an important part of our nature. Charles Duhigg tells you to make a proper routine and how to create a checklist that helps you to manage all your daily tasks. What I like the best about this book is the way it tells us the ways through which you can end up procrastinating. What's more fascinating is the way you can work on yourself and create timely ideas. This book tells you the way to take a practical approach to the issue of life so that you can end up solving minimal and major troubles in no time. So these 5 books are my favorites, which I believe can help you a lot if you're still struggling with the question of to do or not to do. If you are thinking about managing time and want to find support that can help you right from the beginning, these 5 books can help you to develop a proper habit of time management, end procrastination, and work on your creativity regularly. Well, if you have any more recommendations for me, do you know what to do with them? Just drop them straight in the comment section for me and for many others who want to know the best books about time management. That's all from today's video. Stay tuned till I get back with some other revelations about productivity and spare some precious time of yours to like and share this video with all your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon as well so that with a single ring you can find every new piece of positivity right in front of you.